especially today because the weather's good.
Ito na guys, Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco. So big, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wala na. Guys, punta kami doon sa taas. Damn, so beautiful. This is the city.
Go slowly.
Yeah.
Why?
The Golden Gate Bridge. Ayan guys. Wow. Sobrang lapit oh. Yeah. Nakakapagod maglakad. Guys, ang daming tao. Guys, oh, grabe. Sobrang ganda. Yeah. Steph Curry, where are you? Dati guys, dream ko lang pumunta dito eh. Sa lahat naman, sa New York, sa LA, and now here, Sanford. Now it's real, bro. It's real. Yeah, look at that bridge. Ayun yung nasa jersey ng Warriors. Let's go, Golden Bridge. Guys, nandito kami sa Pier 39. Grabe, sobrang busy oh. Daming tao. Yeah. It's the famous one in San Francisco.
You guys can go look in the gift shop.
The Bay.
Why don't you stay with us? Uncle.
Okay,
Yeah.
shop on the list. Gift shop.
Wait,
Yeah, Aquarium of the Bay. And mga cruises. Guys, ang daming seal oh. Sayang madilim na eh. Pero yun sila. Ayun oh.